Hey everybody, welcome back to fixing your Chrysler 300. I have a 2013, and I'm sure a lot of the models have the same issue. Today we're gonna refill the power steering pump. If you're starting to hear that noise when you're turning your wheel, or your steering wheel I should say, a lot of times you take it into the dealership and they will tell you it's your power steering pump that went bad. But that's not the case, because if it went bad, you would not be able to turn that tire. So for this, you have to take off your tire. You have to take all these little things here. Because we're gonna have to take this firewall fender off. You need one of these tools. You need one, so you don't break all these clips, unless you want to buy them brand new. Okay, take them all off. I've already taken off the ones on further on this side. I'm gonna bring you guys to look what's going on here. Let's see. So we open this up and it's right there. That is your power steering. That's where your refill. There's no way of getting to it from the top. Of course, they are smart enough to do that to us, you know, so we couldn't find it. So yes, let me try to take that cap off, and then I will put you guys back on here. It's a little tough. I've taken this off before once. I don't know why it's so hard. It twisted all the way. I just gotta wiggle it. Let's see, come on. Come on, good old Chrysler products. Aha. I used my little tool and I pushed up on the cap. Let's see. There it is. Oh yeah, look. You have to pry it up. As you can see, that's where we gotta fill up. So you can't even tell if it's empty or not. That plastic's so thick in there. So I'm gonna fill it. Where is the stuff at? Hopefully I don't spill too much. Let's see. I'm gonna take a little bit more off this panel because I want to see what I'm doing. If you follow my channel, I've done a couple repairs on this Chrysler already. I bought it brand new. I have not mistreated it, and frankly it is mistreating me now. It's been one thing after another. Luckily I've been able to fix everything myself, and if not, I have a friend who's a mechanic who I can ask for guidance if I need it. See, but that helped. I took that other one off, and look. So going in there, it's going in there. I don't recall if the last time I filled this up I used the whole bottle, but I'm pretty sure I did. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. So I needed about half. Yep, so there you guys go. If your power steering is making noise, that is the solution. That's where you get to put your power steering pump fluid. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Thanks.